What's up? Hope you're having a great day. PC Monk here with another Bitcoin video, and what a pump we had yesterday, guys. So let's just talk about it. I've talked about it yesterday. I've said either we're gonna hit this area, which was 27.3, which we did hit it, or we're gonna hit 25.6 around this dotted yellow line. You guys know what I'm talking about if you guys follow my videos. Obviously, this was for 2 days ago. Yesterday I recorded my video, but unfortunately I was banned from TradingView and due to leaving a comment. I don't know, like their rules is just kind of, to be honest, sus. But whatever. Since we're on TradingView, we have to follow it. I don't even wanna. I didn't even respond to the guy who banned me for a day. That's why I couldn't upload my video yesterday, but I did upload it on the YouTube that I, tagged it on my profile. So you should just check that YouTube. And first of all, I thank you guys for all the support and everything. And let's just jump into this again. So okay, so yesterday we hit this in my video yesterday, and 2 days ago I said 27.3 is where we're gonna hit. Nonetheless, we hit this. Now, here's what we have. We have a couple of scenarios. Obviously, we know that FOMC is coming up yesterday. I'm sorry, it's coming up to tomorrow. Okay, I'm trying to. Yeah, FOMC is coming up tomorrow. So what we know is we will get volatility for our session for Wednesday. But right now, if I put it on daily, as we could see, we have grabbed some of the dailies. As you guys can see, these are all the dailies. High we grabbed here. And what remains is obviously another daily to grab and a weekly, as you guys could know. So now the important part is the weekly part, which is right here, which is 28. We'll say 28, but it's a little bit higher, 28.1. And if we take this 28.1 out, we could have a possible chance to come around the 29.3 or even a little bit higher. We'll have to see how the price action, moves around Wednesday. But for today, let me just show you guys the calendar too. Obviously, I want to talk about some fundamentals for today. So as you guys can see, tomorrow we do have FOMC and federal funds rate and all that. So what I want to mention is for today we have a couple of possible scenarios. So the first scenario is we're just going to range here. Let me just put it on the 4 hours, then we could talk about it. So the first scenario is let's just range around here for a day, do nothing. Okay, just like a weekend. Just range around here, something like this, right? And but there are some liquidity around the 27.1. I think it's better to first show the fundamentals so I can talk, around them. So let's just jump into that. First of all, we want to see the funding rate. You guys remember, if you guys were following my videos, for 1 week, TRB was a top. It was like -3. So if you were trading that, if you were longing TRB, good, good, good. Or if you were shorting it again, good, good, good. But anyway, now TRB is gone. Let's just jump into the main coins. So Bitcoin funding rate is kind of getting negative in some places, but on Binance it was negative yesterday. But with the pump, it made it again neutral. Now we're talking about longs versus short right now. As we can see, a little bit of very bearish and a little bit of bearish, but most people are bullish right now. We have a little bit of very bullish. All right, and we could see here that right now we have a little bit more shorts than longs, all right, in this 4 hour of the BTC long to short ratio. And even right here, as we could see, some of them has better longs, some of them are long, some of them are short. But in summary, we are more in shorts right now. So we do have to, and this is the long, we do have to, liquidate some shorts. We do have to go a little bit higher. And this is the long to short ratio by accounts. And this is the long to short ratio by position. By position, it shows like kind of 50-50. But by accounts, most people are longs right now. So this is the important part, the liquidation heat map. This is on Binance, by the way, as you guys can see. Binance has some to the downside and has some to the upside. All right. Just by naked eye, we could tell that the downside on Binance is more to the upside, right? But if we move down, if we come to where we have three exchanges, which is Binance, OKX, and Bybit, we could see that there are some hefty longs around 27K. So all the longs, I'm sorry, all the shorts from 26.8 or where we didn't grab the liquidity to 27K, cumulative short liquidation leverage would be around 42, uh, 426 million. That's a lot. Now to the downside, as we could see, uh, 26.5 doesn't offer us a lot, but if we come a little bit lower to 26 point maybe 2, then we grab some liquidities around 665, I'm sorry, 653, right? And obviously, like I said, if you come all the way around here, it's going to be around 1 billion, but then we will have a possible collapse incoming on our hand. But I don't think Bitcoin's going to go down that way yet. With that being said, we could just see another heat map. I mean, this is the heat map as CoinGlass says, and the previous one is just a map. But anyway, so we could see like the heat map shows that a lot of short liquidations happening on TRB and Link and all that stuff. And that being said, guys, let's now jump back into our chart. Now, as I was talking about this chart, I said that right now we do have a couple of more dailies to take, but the main goal is around this area, is around the weekly. So our main goal right now is, can we take down the weekly? Now, if we can't take down the weekly, then that's a sign that we might go higher and, take a look at these areas. But for today, I would like to say that uh, that we're gonna come down. We're gonna come down. I think what Bitcoin's trying to do, there's two possible scenarios. All right, I would like to talk about the one that I think will happen the most. Is we're gonna sweep the highs. We're gonna sweep around this area. Okay. Let me just remove this as we hit it before on yesterday's chart or yesterday's move that we don't need it. So I think we're gonna hit here. Sweep all these all these shorts, liquidate all the high leverage shorters around here. After that happen, we come all the way down around here. And like I said, this is the 25.7. We sweep the lows, okay, around here. Obviously, there is a fair value gap here. I'll talk about it in a moment. So we sweep the lows and then we come back here around the equilibrium and then we hold it here. We range around here. I think this is, you know, likely to happen. I don't know why, but I feel like this is about to happen since we are one day before FOMC. Usually, not even the stock market does much. They just, tend to consolidate. But yeah, now for this to happen, we definitely first need to touch the equilibrium. So touching the equilibrium, let me just put it on the 1 hour. Yeah, there we go. I'm talking about this equilibrium. All right, this one was too close. And by the way, guys, so I'll uh we have to touch this equilibrium first, okay? So what we could do is we either first sweep the highs or we first come here. All right. We touch this equilibrium, we see if we could hold it or not, which is 26K. And if we could hold it, we might just come back up and then we sweep this. But I think this sweep is coming today, 27.1 or 27K. And after we sweep this, we're gonna come lower. So that's what I think. Now, when we come lower, if we break this equilibrium, we're gonna see 25.7 or 25.6. If we hold this equilibrium, we could consolidate around here a little bit and then come back up here and again range it. So my 2 cents is we're gonna range today, and after like a sweep to the both sides. We'll have to see what happened, guys. And let's just take a look. at Dixie and call it a day. Here's Dixie. All right. Dixie's been doing a beautiful bull flag. All right. You could say no, it's invalidated right now. I mean, we usually see these kind of, you know, dumps, these kind of debates before it picks it back up and then boom, goes higher. So with that being said, we'll have to see how Dixie performs here. If it loses this and comes back down around this area, 104, then yeah, we're probably gonna see maybe even 27.5 to be taken out today, which is another daily. All right. But if it holds it here and comes back up, then we're probably gonna see uh, that 25.7 comes to fruition. Now, I think what it's doing right now is going to do this, maybe do this, and then come back here. Do a double top, and then we'll see what happens from there. Could even go higher, but if it goes higher, I think Bitcoins will fall below 25.7 or 6. With that, we don't want that to happen, right? All right, with that being said, guys, do you guys want me to take a look at SPX? Obviously, you guys don't. That's why I put it always at the end, so you guys just could stop the video. But so SPX right now, yesterday, it didn't do much. All right, it didn't do much. It dropped a little bit. All right, but nothing that hefty of a drop. So maybe today we want to touch this discount level, and touching this discount level today, come down here and then hold it here for how for tomorrow, or just range here. Continue ranging until tomorrow. I would just say yesterday we sweep the lows. Okay, so tomorrow, which is today, today we sweep the highs, we come all the way around here, hold it here. That happened, then yeah, Bitcoin has a chance to go higher. Now, talked about it. I want to talk about Bitcoin. One more thing to mention, which is that daily. So if that scenario happens and Dixie goes down, there's still one remaining daily to be taken, which is here, right? And then we go for this. So we could this scenario just came to my mind, so I'm just gonna add it to the point to the video. So we could essentially hold right here, right where we are, without even sweeping the lows, okay? And then when the market happens, when the market opens, we come all the way let me just put it on the 4 hour. So we come all the way up, okay, right here, complete this supply zone. This is, by the way, on a 4 hour, and then gets rejected. And this is all for today. And then it gets rejected from here all the way to around here, around 26K. And well, and then that's it. And then for tomorrow, which would be a fomc day, we essentially cleaned and swept this area, and all we have to do is either sweep the lows or just crash it down and grab all the liquidity. So let's see if today we go around here. I'm sorry, around 25K, yeah, around 27.5. It's going to be near 3%, and after that, if we perform a dump into the dotted yellow line, it would be 6%. On a good volatile day, this is possible, but like I said, usually on these FOMC day, we go into ranging and consolidation instead of the volatility. So I've told you guys three possible scenarios. I'm not going to go into the first one. Just to conclude, uh, hit 27.1, come back to 26.20, come back to 26K, lose 26K, go to 25.6. All right. Now hold here, go to 27.5, and then come back to 26K. That's a possibility too. That being said, guys, my these possibility that I've said, I'm more leaning into the first one, which is that 27K, then come back down. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay green. Hopefully you make some money today. If not on Bitcoin, on some altcoin. Until tomorrow, I definitely will record tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll see you guys there. And please support me on YouTube and everything, everywhere. TradingView, YouTube, like, subscribe, comment. Please subscribe, please, please, please. And that's it. Bye bye.